Welcome to our kitchen.
Cooking together.
Today we're gonna make super easy turkey tacos. All right, so basically, this is why it's gonna be easy. You're gonna make your own
Spices. We can make our own spices that we dump in there. So you can kind of tweak it to what you want it to be.
I add extra garlic. All right, first up, you're gonna brown your meat. You're gonna do about 1 pound per 1 serving of the spices. Keep stirring the turkey. Starting to cook down. Some of that water is cooking out. You know, you can do this with ground beef if you want. You can do it with ground chicken. Just watch your moisture. Chicken might get a little bit dry. Simple, quick, easy. It works. Like your music here.
What's up?
There's a little bit of liquid that kind of pools, and all of that has to burn off. So
Just to cook.
okay, we're back. Time to add the spices. Mix it around. Get all of your meat nice and coated.
Is that ready? Is it ready? Can I eat it now?
Next step, you add 2/3 of a cup of water to your 1 pound of ground meat. You just take it, sprinkle it around, right?
Ooh.
Easy peasy, easy peasy, easy peasy. Then you're just gonna let it sit there. You're gonna let it simmer until it reduces. And I'm gonna kind of make it, I'm gonna try and kind of shred it. I bought little tomatoes. Why did I buy little tomatoes? I don't know, they feel like they taste better. They're sweeter. I don't know. This time of year, tomatoes aren't
You
great.
said I get to cut these.
I'm gonna show you. I go like this, cut through, and cut through. So, as I've said before, our son is dairy-free. This is a dairy-free recipe. Dairy-free tortillas that I purchased. They make dairy-free cheeses. If you want, guys, you can also, maybe you want some, I tell you, a little bit of this taco meat that we made. Really easy. Turkey tacos. So I'm just going to take a little bit. Put it on my cheese. Pardon my reach, sir.
Oh, you almost got stabbed.
I'm not going to get stabbed. A little bit of lettuce. A couple of little pieces of tomato. And I have myself a little mini taco.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Okay. Are we done?
I don't know.